39 to się wyprowadziła, bo pomyślała półtora miesiąca z chłopakiem i niezgodny charakter. Wyprowadziła się. Co tam? To bierz następny. No to zaraz będzie się wkładać przecież do środka.
He will come to build a huge basilica with the same design of Pantheon, 308, but 312. Those come to attack Rome, Constantine. He killed the Maxenius nearby Tava River, and he comes here inside, and from here he starts to ask the Roman to stop to kill the Jewish and the Christian. From here inside, he starts to give a Roman Christian order to build some churches for themselves. It started Christian to build them churches with the same shape of Basilica of Madness. Just the shape. Basilica more architectures than religion. St. Peter Dome. You know St. Peter Basilica Dome? It's more important for a Christian as meeting place. Meeting. A church is specific. You know, House of Augustus have a different basilica for all people. If you are Muslim, Jewish, Christian, you believe in God, no, you can went and died. Why is the Pope? He must do audience for all people, meeting for all people. That's why Hagia Sophia. If anybody have Hagia Sophia in Turkey.
Beautiful. I've been there.
It's built by who? Constantine.
Yes, it was Constantine.
I'm saying once Constantine,
yeah.
he comes here, he was not Christian. His mother, Elena, she was Christian. And he asked the people to stop to kill the Jewish and the Christian just because his mother. But once he went in Istanbul, he converted before he died. That's why he built a huge basilica for himself in Istanbul. Now we finished New York. Let's go to see Florida, Australia.
Okay, I'm not sure about that. I mean, it was Justinian who built that. But anyway, it's kind of interesting because Constantine would have died in 300s. Justinian was around in the 500s AD. And that's when the Istanbul, the Hagia Sophia was built as a Christian church. And then it was converted to a mosque when the Ottoman Empire sacked Constantinople in 1454, I believe it was. Anyway, no worries. It's all good. Okay, we're going to keep climbing the hill here. Just on our way up. It's very hot today. It was about 35, 36, and now it feels like 38. It's extremely hot. Just going to do a quick video panorama on top of Palatine Hill. Wow, it's just breathtaking. My God. See the Vatican over there. Wow. I believe that's the Vatican. No, it's not close. No, Vatican's further than that. I'm wrong. Man, there's just so much stuff to see here. It's just unbelievable. Oh, man. Let me go over here. There's a lot of people here, so I'm going to try to move over this way. This is just mind-blowing. I never thought we'd see something like this. Look at that. Something right out of a movie. Wow. Man. Jeez. And there's the Colosseum over there. Wow. Incredible.